There are
exempted.
only 5 modes of disposal. Sinabi ko na sa ito, public auction, sale through negotiation, barter, transfer to other government agencies, destruction.
We
Huwag mong
follow
gagamitin yung bulletin na ginawa nung pangkopong-kopong. Ang sinasabi natin dito is COA Circular 89296. Nandyan ang COA eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Potestas delegata non delegare potest. What has been delegated to the council cannot be further delegated. There are only 5 modes of disposal. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, wala doon yung ginawa mong pagbebenta doon sa dalawang traders. What happens now? So hindi na makasagot, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair. Talagang violation po eh. Administrator, you made mention about COA Circular 89296. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's about the mode of disposal.
Yes,
Kaya
Your Honor.
pinenta mo ito, ano? But under the law, you have only 5 options to do that. Number 1 is public auction. Number 2 is sale through negotiation. Number 3 is barter. Number 4 is transfer to other government agencies. And number 5, destruction or condemnation. Pero binenta mo dun sa traders. It is not one of the 5 options left under your discretion. If we believe you that you resorted to COA Circular 89296, wala dito do sa 5 options. Why? Can you answer that, please?
Ang definition kasi dito na exempted siya, Your Honor, no? Kasi ang
No. There
exempted
are only 5 modes of disposal. Sinabi ko na sa ito, public auction, sale through negotiation, barter, transfer to other government agencies, destruction. Itong ginawa mo wala dito sa 5 modalities.
hindi siya kasama doon, Mr.
So you
Sir Chair.
violated the COA circular. Kasi tama ka naman, walang bidding ito kasi bidding procurement lang eh. Ito disposal. So dapat ang sinod mo yung COA circular na binanggit mo. Pero pag ni-refer mo yung COA circular, hindi mo naman ginamit yung isa sa 5 available to you. Why so?
Sinunod natin yung definition and scope ng circular, Your Honor, no? Which excludes kwan.
Wala na tayo sa scope and definition eh. I'm talking about the mode of disposal. Yun lang eh. Kasi bebenta ka, so magdi-dispose ka eh. So pipili ka lang doon sa 5 available to you. Pero ang ginamit mo, wala doon sa 5.
Ang ginamit to natin dito is sale through negotiation as approved by the council, which is the sale of a maximum price of 25 pesos. So we
Hindi,
we
huwag mong
follow
gagamitin yung bulletin na ginawa nung pangkopong-kopong. Ang sinasabi natin dito is COA Circular 89296. Nandyan ang COA eh. Ito lang ang basis mo, wala nang iba eh. Pagkatapos, sabi mo kanina, ginagamit mo pa yung inyong circular. Yung binigay mo. Where's that? Hindi ba doon sa Section 5 ng inyong council? Nasa yung council lamang ang magde-determine ng way of disposing it. And that one did not delegate it to you. Kasi sinasabi roon, There is no further delegation. Pero ikaw mismo ang nag-approve using a bulletin. Di ba? Basahin mo yung mismong circular. Pairam nga, boss. Ang nakalagay doon, it is the council which will determine the disposal. Ito, babasahin ko sa iyo. The following are discretionary powers of the council under its charter which cannot be delegated. Letter F, the power to sell, blah, blah, blah. So kung hindi ma-delegate the power to sell and it's only reserved for the council, bakit ikaw ang nag-decide?
Your Honor, merong resolution ang council on the disposal of the stock. Ito yung sinabit namin ho na annex. We provided the copy of this resolution.
Sinabi
January
sa'yo
25,
ng council
2022.
na ikaw magdidesisyon, ikaw lang? The resolution delegated it to you, not the council itself? Walang nakalagay dito na dinelegate sa'yo eh.
Meron, Mr. Chair, based on the resolution, this is delegated to the administrator to sell. Itong particular na resolution na to. So, 6-3 rule, after that 6-3 rule,
Sinasabi niya.
Basahin mo nga ano.
okay. Adoption of policy on warehousing storage stocks, 6 months maximum storage for palay and 3 months critical storage for rice. No, date passed 25 January 2022. Resolution number 1025-2022-A. No, whereas Republic
I have
Act.
to cut you because
Yeah.
the title is Adoption of the Policy on Warehousing Storage of Stock, 6 months maximum storage for palay. Walang sinasabing disposal dito eh. So wag kang mag-iimbento sapagkat malinaw rito eh. Disposal is another, warehousing is another. So kinakapit mo dito sa resolution na ito, yung disposal, it is not here. Rolling stocks to eh, warehousing ito and storage.
So, Your Honor, if I may read, no. So, ang sinasabi dito, NFA shall, based on Rule 8.3.2 of the IRR of 11203, NFA shall maintain the optimal level of buffer stock at all time, except to make releases in response to emergency in support of disaster relief programs of the government, or to dispose stocks as necessary before the quality of rice deteriorates, become unacceptable. Whereas during 2021 NFA Council meeting, the management recommended for the Council's approval the NFA policy on warehousing storage.
O sa
6-0,
ina
no?
ba habang
Before
sinasabi mo, wala pa
their
rin akong
disposition.
marinig na delegation eh.
No, before
Sa'yo.
the disposition. So, ang sinasabi dito, after that, you have to dispose
Kaya
dispose.
hindi sinasabing
Dispose is
ikaw
selling.
ang dinelegate, ikaw ang magdi-dispose. Walang sinasabi. You will still have to maintain Section 5 of your 2014 NFA Code of Corporate Governance. Kasi hindi madedelegate nga ito. Otherwise, walang kwenta itong corporate governance ninyo na nakalagay mismo sa Section 5. Dapat nabasa mo ito eh. Sinasabi niya, which cannot be delegated. So hindi mo po pwedeng kukunin yung isang bagay na hindi mo pwedeng i-delegate sa'yo. Hindi ba? You are a lawyer?
No, Your Honor.
Madam, you are a lawyer.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Potestas delegata non delegare potest. Is that correct?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
What has been delegated to the council cannot be further delegated. Tama po, madam?
Yes, Mr.
O,
Chair.
paano ngayon? Pero sagutin mo muna yung unang tanong ko sa'yo. There are only 5 modes of disposal. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, wala doon yung ginawa mong pagbebenta doon sa 2 traders. What happens now?
Hmm.
So hindi na makasagot, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair. Talagang violation po eh. O ikaw na, Mr. Karaps.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang ganitong pagtalakay? Mag-follow sa Informador FB page at mag-subscribe sa Informador YouTube channel. Ang Informador ay nilikha ng mga staff ni Atty. Ricky Tumutorgo, aka Insurrecto, upang lalong lumawak ang inaabot ng pagpapalaganap ng katotohanan at labanan ang fake news at kasinungalingan.